Learn English to Khmer. Can you, in.
Ta nè ai. Ban tế.
Welcome to Polite Superpowers. Hey, you're about to learn one tiny phrase that opens big doors. In Khmer, polite questions can make you sound kind, smart, and slightly more prepared than you actually feel. Today's magic pattern is, can you, which in Khmer is.
Ta nè ai. Ban tế.
Think of it as your travel key, your classroom lifeline, and your emergency button for moments when your face says, I am confused, but respectfully. Your main phrase. Let's say the core phrase together slowly. You do not need to sound perfect, you just need to sound brave. English. Can you. Khmer.
Ta nè ai. Ban tế.
Try it with a gentle, polite tone.
Ta nè ai. Ban tế.
A useful memory trick. The word
Ai.
carries the idea of being able. So when you hear
Ta nè ai. Ban tế.
imagine you are politely checking if something is possible. 3 phrases you'll actually use. Now let's upgrade the pattern into real-life sentences. These are the kind of lines that save your day and maybe your dignity. Can you help me? Becomes.
Ta nè aiជួយខ្ញុំបានទេ?
Can you speak slowly? Becomes.
Ta nè aiនិយាយយឺតបានទេ?
Can you repeat that? Becomes.
Ta nè aiនិយាយម្ដងទៀតបានទេ?
Mini booster words.
ជួយ
Means help.
យឺត
Means slowly, and
និយាយម្ដងទៀត
means repeat or say again. A silly scene in Phnom Penh. Stories make phrases stick, so here comes a small comedy. Picture yourself in Cambodia, confident on the outside, confused on the inside. You walk up to an information desk with the heroic energy of someone who definitely knows where they are going. You do not know where you are going. So you smile and ask.
តើអ្នកអាចជួយខ្ញុំបានទេ?
The person smiles. Success. Then they answer very fast, like an auctioneer who drank 3 iced coffees. You blink politely and ask.
តើអ្នកអាចនិយាយយឺតបានទេ?
They slow down. Victory. Then your brain takes a short vacation, so you ask one more time.
តើអ្នកអាចនិយាយម្ដងទៀតបានទេ?
Congratulations. You are now communicating like a respectful legend. Mini dialogue. Let's hear the phrase in a simple exchange. Imagine this at a help desk, a hotel, or while trying not to get gloriously lost. A. Excuse me. B. Yes? A.
តើអ្នកអាចជួយខ្ញុំបានទេ?
B. Of course. A.
តើអ្នកអាចនិយាយយឺតបានទេ?
B. Yes, slowly. A.
តើអ្នកអាចនិយាយម្ដងទៀតបានទេ?
B. Absolutely. And no, you are not the first person to ask. Pronunciation rhythm drill. You do not need perfection, you need rhythm. Let the phrase roll like a polite little song. Listen to the beat.
តើអ្នកអាចបានទេ?
Now say the full pattern.
តើអ្នកអាចបានទេ?
Now with help.
តើអ្នកអាចជួយខ្ញុំបានទេ?
Now with slowly.
តើអ្នកអាចនិយាយយឺតបានទេ?
Now with repeat.
តើអ្នកអាចនិយាយម្ដងទៀតបានទេ?
Quick quiz, no dramatic music. Time to check what's stuck in your brain. If you miss one, that is fine, your brain is still downloading. How do you say, can you, in Khmer? Answer.
តើអ្នកអាចបានទេ?
How do you say, can you help me? Answer.
តើអ្នកអាចជួយខ្ញុំបានទេ?
How do you say, can you speak slowly? Answer.
តើអ្នកអាចនិយាយយឺតបានទេ?
How do you say, can you repeat that? Answer.
តើអ្នកអាចនិយាយម្ដងទៀតបានទេ?
Culture tip. Here's a small but useful cultural note. Politeness goes a long way, and this phrase sounds much softer than a direct command. In real conversation.
តើអ្នកអាចបានទេ?
Works like a respectful cushion around your request. It is warmer than just throwing out a verb and hoping grammar forgives you. If you want an extra polite flavor, remember the helpful word.
សូម
Meaning please. Your tiny challenge. Let's finish with a practical challenge. You are now the star of your own mini Khmer scene. Say the pattern once from memory. Now say.
តើអ្នកអាចជួយខ្ញុំបានទេ
Now say.
តើអ្នកអាចនិយាយយឺតបានទេ
Now say.
តើអ្នកអាចនិយាយម្ដងទៀតបានទេ
Bonus mission. Ask your mirror, your coffee, or your cat.
តើអ្នកអាចបានទេ
The mirror is supportive, the coffee is silent, and the cat remains deeply unimpressed. Friendly wrap up. Nice work. You just learned a polite Khmer pattern that can help you in travel, conversation, and those wonderfully awkward human moments. Today you practiced, can you, as,
តើអ្នកអាចបានទេ
plus 3 useful examples.
តើអ្នកអាចជួយខ្ញុំបានទេ តើអ្នកអាចនិយាយយឺតបានទេ
And,
តើអ្នកអាចនិយាយម្ដងទៀតបានទេ
thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, keep being brave, and your Khmer will grow one polite question at a time.